Clouds are formed through a complex process involving the cooling, condensation, and aggregation of water vapor in the atmosphere. Here's a simplified explanation of how clouds are formed and how they lead to rain. Evaporation. The first step in cloud formation begins with the sun's energy causing the Earth's surface water, oceans, rivers, lakes, and even moist soil, to evaporate. This process converts liquid water into water vapor, an invisible gas. Uplift. As the water vapor rises into the atmosphere, it encounters changes in air pressure and temperature. One common method of uplift is through the sun's heating of the Earth's surface, causing the warm air to rise. Another method is when air masses collide, forcing air upwards. Cooling. As the water vapor rises, it experiences a decrease in temperature because the atmosphere gets cooler at higher altitudes. The cooling causes the water vapor to lose energy, leading to a phase change from a gas, water vapor, to a liquid, water droplets. This process is known as condensation. Nucleation. Despite the cooling, the water vapor requires a surface to condense around, as it doesn't easily form droplets spontaneously. Tiny particles called aerosols, such as dust, pollen, or pollutants, act as nuclei around which the water droplets can form. Cloud formation. Once condensation occurs around the aerosol particles, numerous tiny water droplets come together, forming a visible cloud. Clouds consist of vast numbers of these tiny droplets suspended in the air. Now let's move on to how rain is formed from clouds. Growth. Within the cloud, the water droplets continue to grow by colliding with other droplets and merging together. As they grow larger and heavier, they eventually become too heavy to remain suspended in the cloud. Precipitation. When the cloud can no longer support the weight of these enlarged droplets, they fall to the Earth's surface due to gravity. Depending on the temperature in the atmosphere, the falling droplets may remain liquid, forming rain, or freeze to form ice particles that fall as snow, sleet, or hail. Replenishment. The rainwater that reaches the Earth's surface either becomes part of the ground and surface water, like rivers and lakes, or is absorbed by plants. It can also recharge underground water sources like aquifers. This water eventually evaporates again, continuing the cycle of cloud formation and rain. It's important to note that the process of cloud formation and precipitation is influenced by various factors, including air temperature, humidity, and wind patterns. Understanding these processes is crucial for meteorologists to predict weather patterns and for our understanding of the Earth's climate system.